What if I told you that the biggest marketing mistake right now is still writing generic content for everyone? In the next era of AI search, that content is going to get buried, and the businesses that win are the ones building hyper-personalized, persona-based content. I'll explain more in this video. Hi there, I'm Jason Patel, the co-founder and CEO of OpenForge AI, and we help your business get seen, cited, and selected by AI search engines. And don't forget to like and subscribe. You'll get the latest tips, strategies, and guides on how to 10x your brand in the age of AI. Let's get started. I don't think AI search is static like the old Google search machine. Google used to spit out the same 10 blue links to everyone who typed in the best CRM software, or something like that. Now, ChatGPT, Google, Claude, Gemini, and Perplexity are in an arms race. Their goal is to deliver not just relevant answers, but personalized answers. That means the best CRM software for a solopreneur is not the same as best CRM software for a 200-person law firm. The best yoga studio near me is going to look different if you're a 27-year-old professional who wants hot yoga 3 times a week versus a 52-year-old mom looking for restorative classes. Search is going to get micro-personalized. It's already happening. It's not just about finding the right keyword anymore. It's about the right content for the right persona at the right moment. If your content doesn't reflect that, you won't get cited, you won't get surfaced, and you won't get customers. That's the future. And so persona-based content is basically future-proofing your marketing. Think about it. AI search engines want one thing: to keep users happy so they come back. That's how capitalism works. It's a beautiful thing. The fastest way to keep someone happy is to serve up an answer that feels like it was written for them specifically, because personalization is everything. It makes us feel special. And that's why user intent is king in AI search. And personas are how you map user intent. If you know your customer's exact struggles, vocabulary, decision-making process, and emotional triggers, you can write content that feels personal, not generic. And when AI search engines are scanning your content, those signals will get picked up. AI search engines will be able to tell this content isn't just talking about features. It's actually speaking to the frustrations of a founder running a 10-person SaaS company who's about to hire their first sales rep. That's the type of specific content that gets cited. It has intent. All right, so let me break this down. How do you actually build a persona that leads to AI search-friendly content? Step 1, you should talk directly to your customers. You should be doing this anyway, so if you're not, start it. The biggest mistake most companies make is that they start building personas in a boardroom. Don't do that. Don't do it in a vacuum. Go talk to your customers. Literally ask them, what problem were you trying to solve when you started looking for us or when you saw us first? What alternatives did you consider? What almost made you not choose us? What surprised you about working with us? If you had to describe our company to a friend, what would you say? You'll be shocked at how different their answers are from the assumptions you're making. Then step 2, use reviews, the good and the bad. Your reviews are a goldmine. Positive reviews tell you what people love most, and negative reviews tell you where you're falling short. It's critical feedback, and that's how you get better. Both are valuable. Look for recurring language. That's the key. If 10 people say easy setup, that's a signal. If 5 people say customer service was slow, that's a pain point you need to address. That's the market giving you feedback. It's a gift. Step 3, mine negative feedback. Because sometimes the best insights come from the people who didn't buy or didn't stay. What objections did they raise? Price, complexity, lack of a certain feature? Those pain points are the things that should shape the way you write your persona. Step 4 is my favorite. Identify the magic moments. This is huge. Every customer journey has 1 or 2 magic moments, the instant they go from maybe to sold. It could be when a software demo shows a hidden feature, or when a real estate agent walks them into the perfect house, or even when a gym gives them a personalized program instead of a cookie cutter one. If you can identify and recreate those magic moments in your content, AI will pick up on it, and prospects will feel it. Step 5, expand with psychographics. So most personas that companies use stop at demographics like age, title, and industry. I think that's very surface level, and you should go deeper. What's keeping them up at night? What do your customers brag about to their peers? What are they secretly afraid of? What trend do they feel like they're missing out on? These psychographics make your content feel relatable and make it quotable for AI search engines because you're providing special, unique takes. Step 6, map the buying journey. Your persona should show how customers move from awareness to decision. At each stage, what questions are they asking? So at awareness, maybe it's the what's the cheapest option question. At decision, it could be which option integrates best with my current tools. If your content reflects that journey from the start, AI search engines will be more likely to recommend it as the most relevant answer. Again, think personalization. So why is all this important? It's because AI doesn't care about keywords in isolation. It cares about whether your content matches user intent. When ChatGPT is asked, what's the best accounting software for a small business under 20 employees, it's not just looking for accounting software and small business. It's looking for content that feels like it was written specific for that persona. AI will say, okay, this piece talks about challenges like handling payroll and managing taxes for a small staff. That's exactly what this user asked for. Let's surface this for this user. And that's why persona-based content is, I believe, rocket fuel in this new content landscape. Now, if you take nothing else from this video, take this. The future of AI is ultra micro personalization. AI search engines are competing in an arms race to keep users loyal. They're going to personalize more, not less. They're going to zoom in on micro segments. And that means if your content feels broad, generic, and written for everyone, it'll get ignored. But if your content feels like it was written for a single persona, it'll get cited again and again. It'll lead to leads, revenue, and new business. You'll win that way. Persona-based content isn't just a marketing strategy. Think of it as more of like a survival guide in the age of AI search. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope I cleared things up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm Jason Patel of OpenForge AI, and we help you get seen, cited, and selected by AI search engines. Check us out at openforge.ai. I'll see you in the next video.